Hey everybody, welcome to Bush Roses. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Bush Roses, and I'm so excited because I get to bring you an inspiration moment and show you something new that we have at Bush for you to get into your stores. We are all aglow here at Bush with these fabulous new candles by Patria Illumination. So excited to have these in for you and that you can actually start purchasing these and get these into your store. So we're going to talk a little bit about these candles so I can introduce you to them and get you excited with them right along with me and everybody else here at Bush. Couple of things about these candles real quickly. First of all, I'm so impressed with how this flame is a 360-degree flame. It's going to flicker and put candlelight all around the whole room of the venue or in the home that you're illuminating these candles with. It's absolutely gorgeous. In the past, we've seen some pretty good faux candles that look pretty real, but they typically have a one-dimensional flame. This is a 360-degree flame that is flickering and glowing. Beautiful. Another really cool thing about these candles is they are actually coated in wax. So not only does that give them a real look, but it also gives them a real feel when you're touching these candles. When people are sitting at the venue, sitting at the table, and you've got candles all aglow, and they know they're not, they can see they're beautiful, gorgeous, but they're not real. People want to touch, they want to lean in and touch this. Coated in real wax. And because they're coated in real wax, and because they have this really unique flame on the top of it, Patria made sure that they package these really well for you. And there's two reasons why you're going to buy these. And number one has a lot to do with the packaging. One of the reasons you're going to purchase these is because these are going to be a business investment for your business, for your store. You're going to use these for rental pieces. And trust me, after your first rental of these, after your first use of these in an event situation, you're going to pay for these and you're going to be able to be making money off of these after that. What I want to show to you right now is the packaging. Dan, I'm going to have you zoom in a little bit here. To protect this beautiful flame and to protect the wax, Patria thought ahead and they made sure that there was an excellent system that you could use to protect that candle in between uses. Because you want a nice box that you can protect your candle so that you can use it multiple times, continue to make yourself money. So it's actually kind of a heavy duty box. You pull out the candle, and did you see how this system on the top protected that wick? Really cool, isn't it? Then inside, you're going to find that the candle to protect that wax is actually layered with tissue and a thin layer of styrofoam. So I'm going to unwrap my candle. I'm going to roll this back up, pop it in my box. And after I set everything at my venue, I'm just going to take these, put them aside, and make sure that my boxes are ready for me when I come back to my venue and pick everything up later. I turn this guy on, and I want to talk to you about that real quickly. There's a couple different switches on the bottom. One is on remote, and one is a 6-hour timer. If you set it to the 6-hour timer, it automatically stays on for 6 hours, and then it will go off all by itself. If you put it onto the on remote, then you're going to want the handy dandy remote. And this is really cool. 2 reasons why you're going to want this. These are sold separately as a box of 4. Why a box of 4? Let me tell you why. Because you've got multiple events. You're a busy event person. You've got lots of things happening. You've got a couple weddings in one weekend, an event and a wedding type of thing. You're going to have to be sending your designers out separate ways. They're each going to need their own remote. But also, gift-giving opportunities. These candles are perfect for gift-giving opportunities. So you have people come into your stores and they see these gorgeous candles sitting up on display. They're going to want these for their home. These are just gorgeous candles. You're going to want to sell them a remote. So box of 4 is a great way to do that, to separate these remotes to sell as gift-giving opportunities. You're going to have people that are going to come into your store and they're going to ask you to create a beautiful candle piece for somebody that they want to give a gift to, a candle piece gift. This is a keepsake gift. Our buyer here, Renata, dubbed these candles the Forever Candle. And I think that's just an awesome, clever way for us to think about these candles. They are forever candles. And if you want to use that tagline with your customers when they come in, please do. But you're going to put these forever gifts inside centerpieces. You're going to sell them to people as gift items and always sell a remote with it. Cool thing about the remote is that it's got the on and off switch, but then it also has the 4-hour, 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour timer. And what's really neat about this, it has a dimming switch. And it dims, so the light's down low. And when you want it brighter, lights up higher. Isn't that really kind of cool? And when you're at an event, Let's say you've got your event designers out there. They've set up their harvest table, their king's table. They've got all the candles lined up on the fireplace and whatever is happening. And they're ready to walk out the door. Guests aren't due to arrive for another hour. And they know that the event is going to be about an 8-hour time frame. Guess what? You've got various different hour choices on here that they can start those candles. They don't have to stay there until just a few minutes before and go around and turn everything on, or heaven forbid, light everything when using real candles like we've done in the past. They've got a remote. They turn it on before they walk out the door. Those candles would last the entire time of that event. Come back and they turn them off. I love it. And I just have to do this. I'm just dying to do this. So when it's time to blow them out, easily done. And then you just turn them back on. I just love that. I think that's kind of fun. So I had to throw that in there. Yeah, you're thinking I'm corny, and I am kind of. So I want to tell you exactly how we're selling these too. How they come. We've got 3 different sizes in the larger pillar. Here are the sizes. We've got the tall, medium, and the small. We are also selling them in ivory and in white. And I mixed both colors here because that's what we can do right now. Actually, mixing ivory and white is on trend with mixing a lot of greenery and metallics as well. It's really beautiful. So you're going to purchase these candles by the different sizes for the larger pillar. The smaller pillar, they're actually sold as a set right here. These 3 sizes are sold in one box together. So the larger pillars, individual by size, the smaller pillars sold as a set together. The tapers, we have 2 different size tapers. We've got the taller taper and we've got the shorter taper. They're sold as 2 in a box. Here's a cool thing about the tapers. Oftentimes we use handy Andes. And if you're a designer, you know that a handy Andy is something that holds that candle in place in our Oasis arrangements. This fits perfectly into a handy Andy in your Oasis arrangements. So what a cool gift, again, that forever candle going out into your centerpieces for the holidays, especially when we want to use some tapers or for, again, gift work, whatever it is that you're doing. So 2 reasons why you want these candles in your store. Number 1, business opportunity, business investment to make money off of these. Number 2, gift giving opportunities. Sell them to your customers so that the recipient of these has a forever candle in their home that they can be using and loving, and sell it along with a remote. Great way to make sure that you're getting that full experience by having this remote. The remote and the votives, you can see some votives right down here in front, and just so you know, the votives drop perfectly into a votive cup if you want to use it that way. Remote and votives come with batteries. The tapers run on 2 AAA batteries. All the pillars run on 2 AA batteries. And batteries for the tapers and the pillars are not included. Batteries are only included in the remote and the votives. So all of this to let you know, we are so excited about this line of Patria candles. They are beautiful. They're so realistic. I have not seen anything this realistic. And when you're designing, you're setting beautiful harvest tables, as right now, this is the trend, and it's going to stick around for a little while. You're going to be so excited about these because you don't have to enclose these in cylinders and vases, as some venues are now requiring. This is the perfect candle because your bride, the person responsible for your event, they're going to be so pleased with the look that you're giving them, even though it's not a real candle. Another thing that I really like them is I don't have to worry about heat. When you're in a venue sitting and you've got 100+ candles around you, guess what? Really increases the heat. You're not going to have to worry about these. These aren't going to increase the heat. Another thing that I like about it is because it's not a real flame, they're safe. So when I am putting them amongst greenery, I do not have to go back and trim away greenery after I've placed my candles and my greenery. I can just sit them down and make sure it's integrated amongst the greenery and never have to worry about us starting a fire or any kind of issue like that at all. So these candles are exciting to us for a number of different reasons, and we are so excited to bring them to you. Like I said, we currently have some in stock, but as of Monday, we are starting a pre-book. So make sure you're thinking about what it is that you want and that you're getting some of these into your stores. And when you're purchasing these and looking at these and going about doing a pre-book, really think about this as a business investment. This is investing into your business. These are going to be candles that you're going to use again and again, as well as giving them for gift-giving opportunities or selling them for gift-giving opportunities. Pre-book runs from Monday through next Friday. You're going to want to talk to your salesperson. You're going to want to make sure that you're getting these on a pre-book and getting them into your stores. Holidays are coming, and you're going to want to be all aglow with these gorgeous candles from Patria. Thanks for watching. From us here at Lenbush Roses, we can't be more excited than this to bring these beautiful candles. Happy buying and have a great day.